At Holt Public Schools, you can help turn food waste into fuel to make electricity. Have you ever wondered what happens to your food waste after you eat your lunch? Well, in most cases, it just ends up in a landfill like this. But what if there were a way to use that waste food for a good purpose, instead of burying it in the ground? Well, now there is. We'd like you to meet Scrappy, and he's come to stay in the cafeterias of Holt Public Schools. Every day when you finish your lunch, you can put the leftover food scraps in the special Scrappy container. Scrappy is a way for us to collect your food waste and take it to the Delhi Township wastewater treatment plant. Every day at lunchtime, you'll see one of these Scrappy containers in the cafeteria. Scrappy needs you to put your food scraps in the special container. Banana peels? In the container. Pizza crust? In the container. Apple cores? In the container. In fact, almost all food waste can go in the special Scrappy container. But there are some things Scrappy does not want to take. Plastic silverware, plastic cups, your toys, milk cartons, soda cans, or your school supplies. These things can all make Scrappy very sick. Every day when Scrappy is full, a worker from the wastewater treatment plant will come and take away the food scraps. He'll take it back to the wastewater treatment plant, also known as the POTW. There, we have an integrated biomass to energy project called Poo to Power, and it's located at the southeast corner of the plant. The food waste will be ground up and added to these big tanks called digesters. The food waste is added to the solids already in the digesters, and it's all mixed together and kept warm for several days. Microscopic bacteria live in the tanks, and they feed on the solid material. They're called anaerobic, and that means they don't need oxygen to live. As these anaerobic bacteria process the waste, they create a gas called methane. The gas rises to the top of the tanks, where it's collected by the dome-shaped lids. Shiny silver pipes collect the gas and take it to a purifying process where it's made into clean methane. Now the methane can be used to run these two capstone microturbines. Each one can generate 30 kilowatts of electricity to be used at the treatment plant. And you can help make the methane by giving Scrappy your food waste. Scrappy says turning waste into fuel is cool. With the Holt Public School System and Delhi Charter Township. For more information, call the wastewater treatment plant at 699-3874 or visit www.delhitownship.com.